Winning the lottery has not changed me. I'm still the same regular, average, normal guy. See, it's me. I'm still gonna make pork chops in my Ninja Foodi grill. Big Tomahawk pork chops. Look at them. In the Ninja Foodi grill. I still eat and cook like a regular guy. Look at these babies. This one weighs a little over 1 1/10 pound. Oh. Look at the big bone on there. I'd like to grill them outside right now, but it's 30 degrees. Thank you. And this one's less than a pound. This one's 3/4 of a pound exactly. They're called the Villani Market Tomahawk pork chops from Wegmans. We got those. I have a selection of seasoning here. I have garlic powder, oregano, cumin, onion powder, paprika, which gives it the redness. Or you could put shake and bake on there if you like, or you could put meat tenderizer or any kind of spice or seasoning you like. Or you could marinate them in sauce overnight if you like. I'm going to put my seasoning on both sides. Let me preheat this Ninja Foodi grill. I'm going to preheat it on medium. Preheating, it'll tell me when to add food, because it's a smart grill. Yeah, I was missing my charcoal and propane grill outside. But I'm thinking about it. Look at these are going to be delicious. Starting up like a jet engine back there. Rub-a-dub-dub. 3 chops in the tub. I like that cumin smell. I love that flavor. Just enough. So make whatever mix you like. Ooh, look at this. Any kind of flavor you like. Or you can buy some good rubs here and there. Okay, so now, remember how I always wanted 3 Grecian-shaped swimming pools? Well, I got that too. Okay, I'm gonna wait till this gets preheated. You would think I'd have somebody pushing these buttons for me, but no, I haven't changed one bit. All right, I'll show you when this says add food, and then I'm gonna add the food. And we wanna cook it to like 145 in the middle there. I don't know if I'll put that temperature probe in, if I can even find that. Do we know where that is?
It's in the side of it.
Oh, it's built right into that? Might as well do that, right? In the thick pork chop? Oh yeah, temperature probe. So you could either use this or just use your thermometer, but I don't think I ever used this, did I? I'll stick it in that fat pork chop when it's ready. It plugs in like a jack. Right there, jack. I'm not done yet. All right, I'll be back when it says add food. Add food. Isn't that clever? Okay, Foodi, here we go. We're gonna hear a sizzle. Oh, that's a sizzle. Oh! That's a sign that it's gonna be good. There goes the little one. There, here goes the big one. Oh, can you see it okay? I'm gonna close the lid and I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes. Oh, it says 11. Okay, I'll let it go. Oh wait, I forgot to put the probe in, I'm sorry. Sorry, boys. Here we go again. I never used this temperature. What's that gonna do here? Beef, all right, let's see. Fish, pork. Hey! It knows, it always knows. Except for pork. Well, it says well, medium well. All right, well. It's pretty smart. Can you see all that?
What's the temperature it is now?
What, 44? Oh, that's the temperature. You kidding me? Okay, so it's not gonna go by minutes, but it's gonna tell me to flip my food. Okay, it's just so smart. It's smarter than me because I had to look it up. And I was gonna flip it in 5 minutes, but see what it says, okay? It's gonna be good. All right, let me have a little talk with you all here where that pork is cooking back there. Last night there was an incident after we were done eating. What did we eat anyway? Oh, we ate Mexican food. Must have been good, couldn't remember it. There was a little incident at the end of our video where everything went black, cut off. We couldn't finish talking to you. I don't know how to explain it. We were doing lottery tickets. Thought we saw something we didn't see. We really didn't win yesterday. It was a joke. We were practicing for how we would act when the day comes. But today might be the day. This is a millionaire maker. 5 top prizes of $1 million. If we win on this one, I swear not to scream and throw things around the house or change in any way, you know. I wouldn't change. I'd be the same old guy going to a job that I hate every day. You know? I'm gonna scan it. Millionaire maker. Are you glad I cleared that up for you? It was just fun. I thought it was April Fool's.
I feel sorry that we made people get so excited for us because we didn't win after all.
Well, we're practicing to see what might happen. We're sorry. Hey, let me get it back right here. Not a winner. Okay, I had to clear that up for you. We apologize. But it was fun, wasn't it? Woo-hoo! I don't know how to drink these fancy things. I didn't go to college. All right, we're waiting. If this tells me to flip the food, I'll let you know. It's gonna be good. It smells good already. I'm gonna eat it like a tomahawk. Maybe I can trim my hair with the bone then, huh? I do need a trim, don't I need a trim? Get a little crooked around the edges. All right, we're back. Tell me to flip. I don't know if I can flip. I'll try it. Well, with this heavy watch on, I ain't doing no flips. Isn't it lovely? Oh, is that beautiful? It smells delicious. I know I'm in the way. Look at that. Oh, that's gonna tell me. Continue. 99 degrees. It knows what we want. It's so smart. Thank you, Ninja. Proceed. And that was about 5 minutes. So that's what I was gonna do, 5 minutes. It's beautiful, I love it. Temperature's coming up pretty quick, and that's about the same time I would have used. 5 minutes on one side and 4 minutes on the second side. Then we're gonna let them sit on the plate for about 3. Oh, there we go, look at that, get food. Isn't that nice? It knows it's perfect. Oh, please. Listen to that. How's it look? Pretty good. Well, you'd like to take the temperature anyway, right? It's resting. See, it gives you a time it's resting too. Look at that. See, R-E-S-T. I like to let it rest for 3 minutes. Should I let it rest with the lid closed? I like to let it rest there instead of on my plate. Get a little more crispiness, maybe. Well, I'm going to take a bite of this. I could add potatoes or cabbage or macaroni and cheese or whatever I want. All right, it's telling us the time, so I'm going to wait 3 minutes. Rest for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Lovely. Beautiful, delicious. Who wants one? I want one. Tomahawk. There's my nice seasoning on there. Come over here to the table. Sizzling, baby, sizzling. All right, I'm gonna take a bite of this big, beautiful pork chop.
Why don't you take your hat off while you eat?
Yeah, good idea. Why don't you pull a bee out of my hat?
Again? That trick never works.
Let it be, let it be.
Wow.
Let it be. Look at that, juicy, crunchy. Ninja Foodi. Tomahawk pork chop. Tomahawk, see?
You got a tomahawk with a mohawk.
Oh, that's delicious. Well, that bite was from the fat side, and that was delicious. Let me try it from the non-fat side. So tender. The other white meat. I love it. Put this on the side if you like. Sweet baby Ray's. You can call me Ray, you can call me Jay, or you can call me Hey, but you just ain't got to call me late for supper. Okay? Taste that once. It's so good. It's so thick and so delicious. Thanks for watching. Try this in your Ninja Foodi or in your frying pan, however you like it. Sorry about the lottery prank, but, you know, sometimes we gotta be funny. All right, talk to you soon. Please subscribe. Stop back tomorrow. Bye. Right in the nose, I got you. Oh, this is so good.